Hey guys, how's it going? Yufan here. A few videos ago, one comment asked about my tank setup. So today, I will show you my tank and its setup. Is it lazy enough? Let you be the judge of that. I started this fish tank at the beginning of last year. My original intention was to design a tank that requires little maintenance and it's dynamic and attractive. So I designed the fish density at 3 to 4 fish per 100 liters of water. LPS corals and anemones was the main species I chose besides fish. The main tank is 90 x 45 x 45 centimeters. I think this size is appropriate. Water quality fluctuated greatly in a tank that is too small, but if it is more than 120 centimeters long, cleaning or changing water for this tank requires a relatively larger workload. I use two NPK7 Pro 3 as my lighting. I use the default spectrum but reduce the blue light from 80% to 70%. In addition, to make observing more comfortable, I put yellow film on the fish tank. I only use one side of wave maker, although I believe the water flow in both directions will make the current closer to the nature, but I want my tank to have fewer wires and equipment to look tidier. My sub-tank size is 40 x 70 cm. Its arrangement is just regular. After the downpipe, there are two filter bags. I clean the filter bags once a week. I've thought about washing more frequently, but it isn't necessary since I don't feed that much. My protein skimmer is relatively large, and the model I choose at present is Bubble Magus Curve 7. As a small dirty water exchange device, the protein skimmer is efficient. I placed an 8 x 8 x 4 inch, I don't know how many centimeters that is, marine pure brick on the rest of the skimmer section. At the same time, I wrapped it in a box the same size as it is, leaving only one side exposed. My main goal is to create an anaerobic space for denitrifying bacteria to colonize and control nitrate accumulation. I assume this is useful. It makes sense in principle, but I don't have any precise data on its effectiveness. I could have put an algae zone right here where the rocks are. However, according to my previous experience, the efficiency of such a small algae zone may not be enough for a 90 cm long reef tank. So I still put my expectation about the consumption and utilization of nitrate more on the animals in the main tank. Of course, I cannot forget my chiller. I'm currently in Bangkok and every day is summer, so heating is really not necessary, but the chiller is a must. In addition, I placed a Xiaomi fish tank on the table next to my main tank, which I use it as a quarantine tank. Its design is very convenient, and it includes a thermometer and an automatic feeder and many other features. However, its filtration system is not strong, and the temperature display is inaccurate. Fortunately, I only used occasionally to quarantine fish or corals in poor condition, so I did not expect much from it. Last but not least, my meditation chair. I often sit here, observe my tank, and consider how I can improve the condition of the corals, stop global warming, and achieve world peace. Alright, so that's my aquarium equipment and setup. I think these are relatively basic design, with no very complex technology. With such equipment, I believe keeping a good looking reef tank is adequate. If you think my reef tank needs to be improved or some other device needs to be increased, you are welcome to leave a message, and I will see you next time.